Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Midjourney image generation failed errors in 2026. So if Midjourney isn't creating images and you're seeing a generation failed message, don't worry. There are several common fixes you can try. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent image requests from being processed correctly. Next, try submitting the prompt again. Yeah, sometimes a temporary server issue or network hiccup can cause a generation request to fail even when everything else is working normally. If the problem continues, review your prompt carefully. Very complex prompts, unsupported terms, or formatting issues can occasionally cause image generation problems. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies or try using a different browser. Sometimes outdated session data can interfere with image generation requests. If many users are generating images at the same time, Midjourney servers may experience heavy demand. So waiting a few minutes and trying again can often resolve the issue. Finally, submit a new image request and monitor the result. In most cases, refreshing your session, simplifying the prompt, or checking your account status will fix the generation failed error, and that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Midjourney image generation failed errors in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.